Hey Style fam, welcome to Think in Style where we turn ordinary to extraordinary. Today I'm going to unveil my secret weapon, my ultimate hair wash routine. So stick around to find your hair's best friend. बाल अभी super dry और unhealthy लग रहा है. So I'm doing this thorough brushing to prep my hair for the grand event to come. Well, sort of. This is to bid goodbye to the weak strands and warm up my roots for the magic to come. Next, I apply the scalp oil by Traya. 2 pumps are enough. I take it in my palms, I warm it up and massage it thoroughly in my scalp. वैसे ये ट्राया प्रोडक्ट्स आर क्वाइट न्यू टू मी तो फुल रिपोर्ट देने के लिए इट्स टू सून बट आई डू सी सम बेबी हेयर एंड दैट्स अ पॉजिटिव टेक अवे बट यार सो रिलैक्सिंग एंड satisfying. Next comes my pure and potent coconut oil. Shout out to my friend from Kerala who got this for me. This is like a moisture magnet. Leaves my hair feeling like silk. Roots और strand दोनों पे लगा के 1 to 2 hours रख के वॉश कर लेती हूँ. For washing, I use this Hairfall Defense shampoo by Traya. बोल में थोड़ा सा पानी लेके 3 pumps of the shampoo and then I mix. Apply on the scalp first and then slather it downwards to the strands. Makes me feel clean and dry without stripping the good things. फिर towel dry करके I apply this conditioner. लेकिन इतना ही काफ़ी है. Simple and effective. To finish up, I air dry and apply 2 pumps of the serum cause less is more, right? For that touch of shine. And there goes my hair transformation from dry to divine. If you enjoyed this hair journey, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Until then, think in style.